my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I've just been so undecided on what I was going to show you all. I don't know if you saw my last video with the backdrop, and I mentioned that I wanted to add florals to this backdrop here. I started working on using a method to add florals to the backdrop. Then I just stopped right in the middle of that, and I decided to make a small floral runner. So I just been kind of undecided, but I'm gonna insert a clip and show you how I began to create this floral runner, and then now I'm gonna just continue filling in the flowers because I've already started this project, and then I'll come back. I'm not happy with the setup because I don't have chairs to go with the sweetheart table right now. I'm waiting on some chairs. I don't know. I might just publish this video when I get the chairs, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how I put this together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish inserting the flowers. So I had like one bush of those peonies or peonies, not sure how it's pronounced. And now I'm about to go in with my ivory roses and fill in the empty spots. And I did put flowers. I'm gonna fill in on this side and this side. With the runner, you have to make sure you completely cover the foam everywhere. So this does take a nice amount of flowers, and I will let you know in the description below what I use for this setup. Okay, here we go. So I decided to go ahead and complete this setup. I end up using my dining room chairs because of this colored palette being ivory gold. I thought these beige chairs kind of fit right in, or they're like an off-white color. I don't know. I just thought it fit right in, so I just completed the setup. Just let you see it a little. And you will definitely see more of this in the intro and outro. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me. Until I see you next time. Bye.